lenient weather. It doesn't mean that we are going to reach the severe weather limits today. Remember, that's when we would start to issue those weather alerts. So weather aware for today, and we're looking at a cloudy sky this morning in Birmingham. Hard to see the twinkling lights of the city. Temperatures currently sitting at 71 degrees. That east-southeast wind at around 11 miles an hour. Temperatures across the board right now, we're looking at upper 60s in Coleman, 72 in Birmingham, lower 70s in Alabaster, and temperatures are going to stay awfully balmy this morning because of the clouds and because of the rain. Check out what we're seeing on our radar at this moment. Heaviest rainfall is well down to our south, but Greene, Hale, Perry counties all seeing their fair share of rain as you're waking up on this Friday morning. This is lifting to the north in places in Chilton County, even as far south as Billingsley, seeing some wet weather. That's going to be moving towards Clinton here very soon. Light showers moving into Tuscaloosa County. But this is phase one of the wet weather that we're going to see today. And because of the strong low pressure system down to our southwest, this is allowing for some pretty strong storms along the Florida Panhandle. I don't think that we're going to see much in terms of severe weather activity today, but I'm continuing to monitor this line still back in Mississippi because that's going to give us another round of wet weather later this afternoon. Looking at the satellite and radar, here's the setup. This low back to our southwest is causing all of this wet weather that we're seeing this morning, and that low is going to push off to the east. And look what happens as it does. It's going to spread rain into central Alabama. Biggest concerns today, heavy rain, gusty winds, and that morning drive could all be impacted. By 6:30, a lot of that rainfall is going to be along Interstate 20 from the Mercedes plant back towards Birmingham. Lighter showers in and around, and these are going to be spotty as the heaviest bulk of rain remains to our south. So this is 8 a.m. light showers from Birmingham all the way down towards Talladega, even towards Lake Martin, and then heavier rainfall throughout the afternoon from Coleman to Gadsden. But notice this is going to be quite widespread, but not everyone is going to be impacted at all points during the day. Good idea to keep an umbrella handy, keep the rain gear nearby. There are times during the day that you could be needing it, and quite frankly, times of the day that you just may not. But better safe than sorry for this soggy Friday. By 3:30, we're going to see very scattered showers, maybe an isolated rumble of thunder, and things should really begin to quiet down early tomorrow morning, and then sunshine's actually back for your Saturday afternoon. Rainfall amounts today will remain heaviest down to our south, really Montgomery and west of Interstate 65. But look at this, totals in Tuscaloosa could amount to nearly 3/4 of an inch there, an inch possible in Alabaster. Now remember, this is all forecasted model data. So severe weather threat today is on the low side. I don't expect for us to see any severe weather, but just some heavy rain at times. So keep in mind, we are going to see the rain and storms today, but sunshine's back this weekend, and it stays through the forecast through the middle of next week. And that is a look at your Storm Track 7-day forecast. Art?